Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another Quant price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments here on the Quant chart. And before I kickstart the video, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Quant has managed to break above a key area of resistance, and I'll be getting into that in a few. And allow me to kickstart the video by first giving you a recap of what has been happening, where you can see that Quant, after making it to an all-time high, we started the bear market where we have been seeing lower prices in this ABC corrective structure, which has now taken us back to around the $40.1 mark. And after seeing that bear market low, we started a very nice bounce to the upside in a move that has been obeying the Elliot wave structures, where you can see I have this Elliot wave structure to the upside, having that as the wave 1, then a wave 2, a wave 3, then a wave 4, and then a wave 5, making its peak at around the $229 mark, and also completing the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 1 to the upside. And whatever we expect next after seeing the formation of a higher Elliot wave count 1 is the formation of a higher Elliot wave count 2. And using the Fibonacci's, I had sketched out a minimum retracement area to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2 by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, and that gave me a minimum retracement area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618 initially. And after fully maximizing that target area and losing the fib level 0.618, I had to extend my target area back to the fib level 0.78, and now my target area lies between the $135 mark and the $81.5 mark. And getting to the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out within this target area, this is where I was expecting the low for this higher Elliot wave count 2 to be made before we see another bounce to the upside in the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 3, and that is what I'm expecting on the long-term scenarios. We might have seen the low for this higher Elliot wave count 2 at around the $94.1 mark, and there are chances that very soon we might start that bounce to the upside in the formation of this higher Elliot wave count 3. And if I sketch out a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, assuming the low for this higher Elliot wave count 2 is in, by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, that gives me a minimum target area to the upside at the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies at around the $398.9 mark, and that is the minimum that I would expect Quant to do on the long-term scenarios in the formation of this wave 3. And in the formation of a second wave, we also expected to see an ABC corrective structure play out in the formation of that second wave, and we are seeing such a structure right here, having that as the wave A, then a wave B, then a wave C, making its low at around the $94.1 mark, and that could be the low for that higher Elliot wave count 2 to the lower side. And in this video, I want to give you reasons as to why I want to flip short-term bullish here on the Quant chart. And the reason as to why I want to flip short-term bullish here on the Quant chart is as a result of a chart pattern that is in formation right here that is supposed to give us a breakout to the upper side. And if I draw it out, that chart pattern is a double bottom, and I can first connect the bottoms down here using this red target area that I have right here. And now I can draw the chart pattern using a highlighter, having that as the first bottom. Then we have seen the formation of the neckline, then the second bottom, and there are chances that whatever we are seeing right now might be the start of the breakout out of this chart pattern, which is a chart pattern that breaks to the upper side, having the minimum target area of the breakout being given by the height between the neckline and the bottoms. And we can get that height and then place it above the neckline, and that gives me a minimum target area back to around the $134.7 mark. And this chart pattern is what is making me flip short-term bullish here on the Quant chart, and also have some idea of believing that there are chances that we might have seen the bear market low, that is the low for that higher Elliot wave count 2, and whatever we are seeing right here in this movement might be the start of that higher Elliot wave count 3 to the upside. And also basing it on the key areas of support and resistances, you can see that we managed to break above a key area of resistance at around the $110.9 mark. And after the breakout was in this movement right here, we saw a retest of that key area of resistance, and once the retest was in and a success, we have continued pushing even higher, meaning we have the support that we need for us to continue pushing higher, and also see a breakout out of this double bottom that I have drawn out here on this chart. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll keep you updated on that. And also taking a look at the indicators, Here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 68 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to support any movements to the upper side once we see a breakout out of this chart pattern before we get into the overbought region. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have printed a bullish cross, and we're also seeing an increase in the buying momentum, meaning higher prices are coming our way. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll keep you updated.